In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, managing a customized stock watch list can be a game changer for staying on top of market trends. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, starting from downloading stock data, preparing it in Excel, and finally importing it into Tradingview. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a personalized watch list ready to go, saving you time and improving your efficiency. Let's dive in and get started. First, we need to download the stock data from the NASDAQ website. Head over to the NASDAQ homepage and locate the Stock Screener tool. This tool is powerful because it allows you to filter and create a list of stocks based on specific criteria, such as sector, price range, or market capitalization. Once you've found the stock screener, apply filters that suit your needs. For example, if you're looking for stocks in the technology sector under a certain price point, you can set those parameters here. The more specific you are with your filters, the more relevant and tailored your stock list will be. After setting your filters, look for the Download CSV button to save the stock data. Now, if you don't see the button immediately, don't worry. Make sure the page is fully loaded and check to see if it's hidden behind a menu or drop-down. Once you've found it, click the button, and your stock data will be saved as a spreadsheet file, typically found in your Downloads folder. Now that we have our stock data, let's prepare it in Excel for easy import into Tradingview. Open the downloaded CSV file using Excel. Inside the spreadsheet, locate the column that contains the ticker symbols. This column is usually labeled as symbol. Once you've found it, highlight the ticker symbols you want to work with by clicking and dragging over the relevant cells. When you've selected the symbols, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy. Next, we're going to organize this data. Add a new sheet in Excel by clicking the small plus icon at the bottom of the workbook. Once the new sheet opens, click the upper left cell, right-click, and select Paste to transfer the ticker symbols. This creates a clean and isolated list of ticker symbols, making your data easier to manage and import. If you want, you can delete the original sheet to reduce clutter. To do this, right-click on the original sheets tab and select Delete. This step is optional, but can help keep the file more streamlined and less confusing in the future. Finally, save your work. Click on File, then Save As. Choose a clear and descriptive name for your file, like Tradingview Stock List, and save it in a location you can easily access, such as your desktop. This ensures your file is ready for the next step. Next up, let's import the data into Tradingview. Open Tradingview and locate the watchlist panel. This is typically found at the top right corner of the interface. Once you've spotted it, click the small drop-down arrow next to the name of your current watch list. From the options that appear, select Import List. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to choose the Excel file you saved earlier. Navigate to where you saved your file, select it, and confirm the import. Tradingview will begin processing the file and importing the ticker symbols into your watch list. If your list contains a large number of symbols, keep in mind that the process might take a moment to complete. Be patient, and soon enough, your new personalized watch list will be ready to use. And there you have it, you've successfully imported your Excel data into Tradingview. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.